फोंड्या पोटवेंचणुकेच्या तयारेविशीं मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकारी डॉ संजय गोयल हांणी जिल्लो वेंचणूक अधिकारी एग्नाक्लिटस, नोडल अधिकारी, पुलीस आनी हेर अधिकाऱ्यां वांगडा बसका घेतली। पोटवेंचणुके खातीर केल्ल्या वेवस्थांचो आढावो घेतलो। मजगतीं आतां मेरेन होम वोटिंग प्रक्रिया पुराय केल्या, पात्र मतदारांक संबंधीत अर्ज वितरीत केल्या अशें जिल्लो वेंचणूक अधिकारी एग्नाक्लिटस हांणी सांगलें। तशेंच पुराय जिल्ल्यांत आचारसंहिता लागू आशिल्ल्यान सगळ्या नागरिकांनी मार्गदर्शक तत्वांक खरपणान पाळो दिवचो अशें एग्नाक्लिटस हांणी सांगलें।
Today, CEO Goa has taken a review of the arrangements which we have done for the Ponda by-election. All the nodal officers, SP election were present for the review meeting. As of now, we have completed the phase of home voting. Like we have distributed the forms to all the eligible people who can cast vote using the home voting facility. Till date, like we have received 146 forms from the eligible people. We have distributed 331 forms. So we are now making arrangement for home voting. Similarly, for postal ballot, we have distributed the forms. We are still awaiting the filled form 12 from the eligible voter. So that is about home voting and postal ballot. Otherwise, regarding the arrangement, first round of commissioning is already over. So after the commissioning, we have dispatched the machines from the control room at the district level headquarters to Taluka headquarters. Now it is under the custody of RO in Ponda. Second round of randomization will be happening on 28th of this month, and on 31st we will be doing the commissioning. Then otherwise FSTs and SSTs are all functional. 3 SSTs are there and 2 FSTs are there, 2 flying squad basically, and whatever events are happening from the political parties, from the candidate side, that is being video recorded. We request all the candidates and political parties to apply in Suvidha portal for any permission if required. And since the model code of conduct is covering the entire district, I request all the people to adhere to the MCC guideline also.
We will take time to time depending on how the situation is, because DO is taking, observers are also taking at their level, and then in case need arises, I will again come back and take.